I'm Nitin Bhat. I'm the Senior VP of Engineering for SES Space and Defense. One of the products that my team works on is called ICT Portal. ICT is a well-known term in the industry. It stands for Information and Communication Technology. You might have also heard the term EM&C to describe a similar function. The ICT Portal is actually a web interface, so you can access it from anywhere in the world, and it acts as a conduit to displaying the data that is stored in the background. Now let's touch upon the benefits of the ICT Portal. It's a single pane of glass. It's just like a website with menus and submenus, but the beauty here is you can customize each of the menus and submenus. The second benefit is it supports multiple user sets. This could be internal customers or what we call a network operations center or a NOC, or it could be external customers who are our government customers. As you might have guessed by now, for the external customers, the key advantage is that it is transparent. Essentially, they see what you see, so it builds trust among your customers. The internal customer, who is the NOC, uses it to perform a lot of functions like opening and closing tickets, monitoring performance, metrics, and other things that we'll talk about. So to summarize, these are the key benefits that the ICT Portal provides for our customers. So let's now talk about the design of the ICT Portal. The ICT Portal has three main elements for its design. The first one is that it is modular. Think of this as an app, and you can add modules or delete modules or customize them as you wish. One of the key ideas for the modules comes from ITSM. It stands for IT Service Management. It helps us design the modules in such a way that it ties into a certain concept of the IT lifecycle. This could be change management, it could be asset management, incident management, or problem management. The second design element of the ICT Portal is scalable. With terabytes and terabytes of data in the cloud, it is important that we store them in tools like AWS or Azure. And we also follow a software as a service methodology, which is SaaS for short. Our team uses tools like Jira and uses an agile Scrum methodology to develop the software in 2-week sprints. The third design element of the ICT Portal is cybersecurity. There are different elements of cybersecurity that the ICT Portal provides. One is we want to make sure all the data that is stored in the cloud that we talked about here is on the GovCloud. The government has its own GovCloud, which has to be certified, which is called FedRAMP, and that's what we use. The other piece of cybersecurity that we bring to the table is that all the apps that we call as modules are built from the ground up with cybersecurity built in. We have what we call as an RMF or risk management framework that provides certain cyber controls to be met as you design the architecture. It's called NIST controls. And as SES, we meet the NIST control level of moderate, high. This is not the typical CIA that you think about, but they are called CIA. The C here stands for confidentiality. The I stands for integrity. And the A stands for availability. The beauty of the system is it also supports transporting this whole design behind a secure environment for the government that's called SIPR. And that concludes the three key elements of the design for the ICT Portal.